halfway there. Got the mouth repaired. It needed a new 9-tooth gear. That's all good. But this one, the square shaft gear was broken too. So, yeah, this kind of had a rough life. But I did find this from an RC car. I have to cut it, obviously, but it fits directly in that thing's place. Same tooth pitch, same everything. That should work, right? And as you can see, it's gonna work. Well, at long last, here he is in fully working condition.